Hello, folks. This vlog is from our group ride to Kollur. It was a weekend ride where we started from Bangalore on a Saturday morning. We chose a rather long route to arrive at our destination because, like they say, life isn't about the destination, it's about the journey. Right now, we are at Sigandur Ferry, where we will be crossing part of the Sharavati river to reach the other side. This is actually the first time that I'm getting into a ferry on my bike. With about 15 bikes, I think we ate up a lot of space in the ferry. It was also raining a lot throughout the journey, but it didn't make us too uncomfortable, and we were actually enjoying it. The journey was really a short one and thankfully wasn't eventful. The ferry ride served as a rest period for the bikes and our backs. It was good to be on the saddle again. It was starting to get dark, and we still had some distance to cover. But that isn't going to stop us from halting for a quick photography session. It's 5:20 and it's so foggy. Can't really see more than 50 meters ahead, I guess. Maybe 50, maybe 100. We finally reached the homestay at around 7:30 to 8 pm. We couldn't really see much of the area as it was too dark, but we were in for a lovely surprise in the morning.
Only if you could have come a little earlier.
But if you take a photo in the night mode there, no? Like it would look really nice, dude, because the lights were falling on the grass and everything.
It's the next day. We had a really nice homestay. Check out this view. I mean, we woke up to this early morning. It was simply spectacular. This homestay is like right in the middle of the forest, right next to that is Mukambika Wildlife Sanctuary, just over that hill. Here are our bikes. 12 of us, 11 FZs and 1 Kawasaki Ninja 300. Let's head upstairs, see what the guys are up to. What a view, what a view, what a view.
Hi, good morning.
How are you?
Started right. Done. This is the problem. Lube लगा.
Lube मत लगा बे.
अरे नहीं कुछ नहीं होगा मैं बता रहा हूँ ना. ऐसे एक बार try कर.
Dry it out.
No, connections are not happening.
हाँ.
Because he removed from there, it's not reaching back. Put it back.
That's what I told him. Like you shouldn't remove from there.
Careful again, mata.
See here the water is there. I just need to clean it. That's all inside. Stand पे लगा इसे main. हाँ.
After a comfortable and cozy stay, we set out on our journey back home. We knew it was going to be a tough journey because we were already quite late. The time was around 10 am and the climate was really very pleasant. Our way back to Bangalore was going to be the shortest and quickest way possible. It's a Sunday morning and all of us had to be Bangalore by night and go to work the next day. $440. So what time you are reaching Bangalore?
Coffee चाय भी है.
What is this place?
Bhadra.
Special for coffee.
What?
Specialty is coffee.
They call it as Asia's best coffee maker.
Oh. It was almost 4:45 in the evening and we still had a long ways to go. But we needed a break and some fuel for the soul. I didn't record any videos for the rest of our journey, but it was mostly an uncomfortable ride. It started to rain again and the city roads near Hassan were poorly lit. Two of our fellow riders had minor accidents, which resulted in one of the bikes having a bent fork and a handlebar. So we all decided to take it slow from here and rode together at a slow speed, realizing that there was no point in hurrying up as we were already quite late. Overall, it was a memorable experience with a lot of learnings.